Our story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and a rare model. Make a great choice today with the 2014 Acura RLX. The Acura RLX is a full-size luxury sedan that sets itself apart. Its interior is beautiful, spacious, big, light, and airy. The Acura RLX features elegant styling which gives buyers even more exclusivity luxury owners crave. You can't resist it and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.